all of us, and welcome to my space. I'm Sharon. Hope you're good. This channel is simply all about the things I love, mostly fashion and beauty. Okay, if you are all about that, you will love it here. Okay, you will love it here. Trust me. And today, I want to share with you, lovelies, what I got from Coach. Let me quickly show you this. Oh my God, I love Coach. I love Coach. I love Coach. Coach is doing it. Coach is killing it. Coach is making, fashion easy for me. That's the right one if you ask me. They are making it easy for me. Their quality is okay. Let's not deviate. Let me quickly show you what I got. Okay, and yeah, it came like this. I ordered online. Yeah, in case you're wondering, Sharon is in healthcare field, an entrepreneur, and also a content creator. All right, we are here. Let's have fun. Okay, all right. Let me quickly show you what I got here. Okay, it came like this. Okay, look at that, nicely wrapped. I do pick from anywhere I see what I love. This time I got this one from, hold on, let me check. I think I got this one from Coach Outlet. Yes. Oh, okay. Let me see. Is that? Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is nicely wrapped. Look at this bag. Oh. This is cute. If you know me, you know I love small handbags. And trust me, we are doing this now. And Coach is always very good with, look at that. They wrap nicely, making sure their handbags are nicely protected. Look at that. Oh my God. Who don't love to unbox? I love, but sometimes with Coach, I wouldn't lie. I don't like anything that stress me. All right. Oh my God. I don't need anything that stress my life. No. Not even this type of packaging. As I'm talking to you right now, this is, I'll tell you, it's very hard. I love them very simple. But what can I say? Coach will always be Coach. They never fail. All right. Yes. Look at that. Look at this baby. Tell me this is not given. This bag is given. Oh my God. The leather. Oh my God. Super. I love this. This bag is okay. Let me quickly look this up because I ordered this online, so we don't mix things up here. Okay. All right. This bag is Coach Terry Shoulder Bag. Okay. Yeah. It's refined pebble leather. So good and soft. Let's open and see. Oh, the zip opens. It goes. Look at that. Oh my God. The zip opens nicely. And yeah. As I said before, Coach will always be Coach. All right. Look at those papers. It's too much if you ask me for a bag. All right, look at that. Let's see. All right, 2 credit cards slots. Look at that. I love the fact that these got multifunctional pockets. You can keep a lot of things here. You can put your, car keys, makeup bag, sunglasses, wallet. Okay, can go in here. It's small, but it can take stuff. All right, so yeah, okay. Oh, this got a top zip closure. Coach, I love. Oh my god, this leather, so good. Look at this with detachable handles. Look, you can take this off and use this long handle. I love this with this chain at the ends, which adds to it. It looks really good as well. And also with detachable straps. According to the website, this should be 814 length, and this very one should be 22, 3, 4 lengths. It's long enough, adjustable. Look at that. You can just adjust it to how you want it. The fact that this can go as, clutch and crossbody makes it a very good one. And you can detach the two. You can even carry this as a small purse. Yeah, it's very good if you ask me. The color black, you can never go wrong. No. The length is very good. This can serve as shoulder and cross body wear. Very good. Okay, let's just, my chair is leaving me. All right, guys, in case you're wondering about the size, I don't have my tape here. I will say, for me, this is my thing. I love this size. If you love big size, if you love very big bags, you may consider something else, okay? But this one is meant for me, okay? I love the bag. I love it. I love it. So the quality, I will say, with what I'm looking at now, yeah, it's nicely made. The quality is there. I love black, and I got this one in black, and they also have it in different colors. This bag is adorable. It is adorable. Let me remove all this and be sure. This bag is adorable. It is adorable. Okay, I love my bags like this. What I see here is simply classy, chic. I will call it a statement piece. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section. All right, to the price. The website, the price has added a little bit, compared to what I got this bag for. The original price for this bag, right, was $430. All right, $430. I'll put the price. I got it on the screen so we don't mix it up. If it's still available on their website, I will put a link from the website or Xway and put a link down there in case you're interested. Yeah, so what I love about this bag, one, I love the fact that it's affordable. Yes, I know, yeah, some people will not agree with me, but yeah, the fact that I don't pay up to $1,000 for this, I consider this a good buy. Two, I love the fact that it's black. Yes, I love black, and this is given if you ask me. I love the good hardware. I love the fact that this bag is spacious and cute. Okay, yes, yeah, it's trending, really trending. The fact that shoulder bag is really trending. Wow. And if you love crossbody bag, you will agree with me on this. This is very good. Let me show you what it's like. I like how it drops on me. With this bag, I will mostly do shoulder bag. Okay, this is what we have here. Let me take this chair out. And with what I had on, I think this is okay as well. I can easily do a crossbody. Yeah, in case you're wondering, I'm in healthcare field. I traveled for work. I'm out of my comfort zone. Okay, so we are working with what we have. This is my work location. All right. So I just got back from the mall, and I decided to unbox this before I start rocking it. Okay. Yeah, this is cool. I love this. I love this bag. I love this bag. Let's quickly see what can go in this bag. No long talking, okay? To this bag. All right. Oh my God. Look at that. The Coach logo here. Another one printed inside. Let's quickly see what can go in here. All right. So my bags. I have this Marc Jacobs wallet. Let's see. It went in nicely. And I have, this is oversized sunglasses, and with the case, it went in, though it's coming up. Yes, to be honest with you, I don't like to stress my bags. I may not really take this, but I'm just doing it for this purpose of this video. I have a very flat sunglass case I use for bags like this. I love to use this size for bags this big or something bigger. All right, so khaki, and if I have something like lipstick, I can throw in here, of course, nicely. So this can take even very small makeup bag. Look at that. The shape is still very good. You know, it's not carrying much. Look at the sides. Look at the back. Look at that. The leather is so good. Let's try crossbody in case you're all about that. Okay. Okay, this is where it hits on me. This is where it hits on me. Yeah, it's adjustable. You can adjust it if you want it. If you want it here, you can adjust it. If you want it even longer, you can adjust it. But this is where it hits on me. Let me see what is like. This is the glasses. That's okay. Yeah, so I will say this bag is given, is affordable. The quality is really good. From now till Coach is really, Coach hardly fail, if you ask me. Yes, that's why I'm always, you know, getting stuff from Coach. I'll end this video here. If you made it this far, thank you. As I said before, I'll put a link down below in case if you're interested. Go ahead and get yourself one. All right, thank you, and see you in my next video. Bye for now.
Give a pretty brown girl a space. You can keep your head